In today's video, I'm going to show you Structured App Review in 2025. Structured is a clean, minimalist planner app that merges your calendar events and to-do tasks into a single timeline. Users appreciate how it makes planning a day or week feel more visual and intuitive. Tasks can be dragged and dropped, time blocks are clear, and there are nice touches like color coding and subtasks to break things down. It supports multiple languages, 30 plus time zones, handy for travel or remote work, and has features like an inbox to dump unscheduled tasks, widgets, and focus timers. The design is polished. Many people say it's especially helpful for managing ADHD or similar distractions because it forces you to visualize what your day actually looks like instead of leaving too much vague or unscheduled. Over the past year, the developers have added important improvements. The structured web version is now available, so you can view, divide by manage your tasks in a browser, useful if you switch between devices. The updates also include better syncing across iOS, Android, and Apple Watch, an AI feature that helps reschedule tasks when your day changes, and new tools like cycle seasons for planning around menstrual cycles and an energy monitor for being more aware of when you have less mental energy. Despite many strengths, Structured has some drawbacks. One major complaint is that full functionality requires the Pro version. Basic features are good, but recurring tasks, full calendar import divided by export, and more customization are behind the paywall. Some Android users say feature parity with iOS lags, they miss widgets, calendar sync features, or smoother editing tools. Also, syncing across devices sometimes experiences delays or misses items, which frustrates users who rely on the planner in multiple places. In conclusion, Structured is legitimate, and for many people, it is worth it. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.